Hey everybody. Okay, so the first question. Sketch the graph of the function by making a table of values. The smart way to make a table of values is to start with the axis of symmetry. So x equals negative b over 2a. So a equals 1, b equals 6. So we have negative b, so it's negative 6 over 2 times 1, which is negative 6 over 2, which is negative 3. So our AOS, or axis of symmetry, is x equals negative 3a. And then if we find our vertex by plugging in f of negative 3, which we just found, into our function here, so we get negative 3 squared plus 6 times negative 3 plus 11 equals 9 minus 18 plus 11 equals negative 9 plus 11 equals 2. So our vertex is negative 3 comma 2. We plug in the negative 3 and we get 2. So that's going to help us. Negative 3 comma 2 is right here. And of course our axis of symmetry is going to be right here at x equals negative 3. So we want to actually see it. And our vertex, we said, was here. And then now we're just going to pick a bunch of points. We need at least 3. We've got 1. Honestly, if you can give me 2 more, we're good. So I'm going to want to see 1 on either this side or this side. And I'm going to be honest, I'm just going to go this way. So I want f of negative 2. I want f of negative 1. And that should be good enough. So we plug it into, again, this right here. So we get negative 2 squared plus 6 times negative 2 plus 11 equals 4 minus 12 plus 11, which equals negative 8 plus 11, which equals 3. So that's going to give us the point negative 2 comma 3. Negative 2 comma 3. Right there. We do the same thing. We plug in negative 1. We get 1 minus 6 plus 11. We get negative 5 plus 11. We get 6. So negative 1 comma 6. And whatever happens on this side happens on the other side. And then we make our parabola. Okay, we have everything we need. I definitely want to see the axis of symmetry, the vertex, and then at least 2 other points. And if you show me this, this shows me that you know what you're talking about, that you know that the axis of symmetry is going to cause a reflection across the axis of symmetry. Okay. In this graph, going to open, is this graph going to open upward or downward? So we look at this right here. This negative tells us it's going to open downward. How do you know? Because A is less than 0. Basically, that means that A is negative. That means you have that negative thing going on there. All right, same thing here. I'll do that in another video.